Well, it's never good to be alongside a road. Well, I'm alongside a road. I'll never grow up. I had to run an errand. Had to go to the eye doctor. And I took the car. Yeah. Straps broke. Nuts, bolts. And it's probably my fault. Yeah. Awesome. Hi guys, Chuck House and Mopar. It's gonna be a quick one because it's unexpected, but it's just a day in the life of an idiot. Yeah. So there hangs the drive shaft. I got 2 broken bolts, and I don't know about the third one up there. All right. So, what the hell was going on here? Goofing off. Yep. I had to go to eye doctor the other day. He says, "You got a cataract." I said, "I don't." I said, "Doc." I said, "See the shirt?" I said, "I'm a Mopar guy." He says, "No, stupid. You have a cataract in your eye." Turns out it's not that big a deal, and I'll be able to see better maybe. But, so anyway, yeah. I took the satellite, Louise, and I was gonna have a little stretch. So I stretched her out in first. I thought, I'm gonna hammer a second gear scratch. Boom! Clang, 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 clang. So luckily these are the 742 case 10 spline. I can remove and replace. I got 2 more. This is actually the one from the Cuda. The Cuda's got a new drive shaft with 7290s, the bigger U-joint. These are 7260s. So I went and got some grade 8s, and naturally they're 7/16 head. As if you've done this, you know it's a real pain in the grommet to change these, because you know you can only get about a half a turn. These are Chrysler steel straps. Okay, these are aftermarket. These should only be about 20 foot-pounds with some blue thread locker on there per the drive shaft guy. I had more. I've always had more. So you see how nice and snug this is in here. This wasn't all my fault, I think. So watch this. Okay, same U-joint, same straps, same yoke. Watch this. Is this excellent? Yeah. Chinese, not to spec, whatever. And if you'll notice, there's a nice gap there. I had issues with that. I had to do that clutch swap, and actually it was the caps were they were going in further than they should. Like I could squeeze it and they go in, so this wouldn't line up. I thought I had it okay. I had those straps, the ones that are busted and missing and laying on the road, and they were tight. So I'm sure it was just because of the over torquing. So I'm going to take these over to the belt sander, knock a little bit off the bottom, and which they're plenty thick. So this thing, yeah, this thing wants to do what it's supposed to, at least snugly hold this sucker in. Okay, shaved some off the bottom on the belt sander. You can't tell. I did use a mic. Make sure they're all close, good and tight, good and tight. So yeah, so whatever. I'm missing one of my dang head 8. Okay, get under there and pop that booger out and slam her in, see what happens. Okay, I think that yoke might be junk. This hole looks like it's bad. Pulled it clean out. That sucks. These things are, well, they're 70, 80 bucks for one of these yokes. Damn it, can't get this socket on here. Here we go. There we go. There's that. Now, I might have trouble getting that washer out. Should run a hammer. Yep. Yeah, I got silicone in there. Hang on. Yeah, I put silicone in behind these washers sometimes. I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. I mean, in theory, it shouldn't leak anyway, right? Through the splines. Oh, that's loose. There we go. Hole. Being difficult. What the hell? I think it's coming. Yeah, it's leaking. Oh, what the hell? Not having fun. There we go. What's so hard about that? Oh, goop on the splines, huh? Why not? There we go. No room. Must be a 2-minute video on what not to do. Yeah, had some goop on the back. Not doing that again. That's about right. All right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get back up. Well, here's the yoke. All right. This is the one that I thought was junk. I don't know what you guys can see. The threads are not really acceptable, but okay. This is the one that wasn't junk. It still had a bolt in it. They're no good. I mean, it's missing threads on one side. Halfway down. Can you see that? Is this even gonna focus? So much as I hate to, this is the one that's out of Louise. It's gonna have to go in the scrap bin. I mean, sure, I got these still broken off in there. That was gonna be my son's next job. He was gonna pull them out. But no, some 1965, 64 hardware is gonna be junky. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's mostly down. Yeah, a halfway down. Yeah, whatever. All right, if you remember, this is got a ball and trunnion on one end and a regular U-joint on the other. The satellite's got ball and trunnion on both ends. I don't need to tell you, it's just one less step getting a drive shaft out because these got 4 bolts. Ball and trunnion, it's like a U-joint. There's 2 big balls, I guess. They're round, full of needle bearings that slide up and down. Last year for the ball and trunnion at Chrysler on 4 speeds only. The automatics got the slip yoke. I actually lost this boot coming back from Bowling Green last year. So she got rubbed on, and here's this. There was another cap when these 2 were clearly gone, but yeah. So hopefully it's not wallered out. I'm gonna go see, and I'm not gonna bring you guys along because I'm just pressing out a U-joint in. Anyway, yeah, that would suck. All right, ready to put them back in. I didn't get a solid spicer this time. I said screw it. Yeah, and looking all shiny and new. So this is this thing was a solid rust bucket, right? And this is black Rust-Oleum. I shoot it with an etching primer first. So this is an example of how it turns out looking. So you guys that are purists and want to have your satin whatever, the gloss turns into satin. So anyway, all right, let me get this in. I'll show you the final product. Well, she's in, done and done. All done. Yeah, so what? I just had to change a U-joint. Why do you make a video on that? I don't know. It's what I'm doing. And that's that, I guess. So yeah, that's a little bit, that's a lot better. That I should have probably changed that U-joint before. Yeah, anyway, so here's the one that came out. Like I said, this one was bad there. These got to come out. I talked to the professor. He mentioned, I asked him, can you put helicoils in these? Maybe. This one here, I'd already put a speedy sleeve on the back. I forgot. See that? It had a groove. So right there's where it's riding now. So I don't know. Maybe I will. I do have another one. It's got a bit of a groove. Looks like I should clean that up. But it's yeah, you can feel it. You can feel it a little bit, I guess, whatever. So anyway, yeah, not kicking the videos out. I'm just busy. And so this is a little shorty on the day in the life. And that's it. So gotta put this down and press on with other stuff. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.